Hey guys, it's Roya, and today I'll be talking about average velocity. As we learned in the previous video, average velocity is defined as the total change in displacement over the total change in time. Now, say we have Forrest Gump and his friend Jenny, and they have stopped to smell the roses. So here are the roses. And then suddenly out of nowhere comes a big truck full of all those bullies that keep throwing rocks at Forrest Gump. So here are the bullies, and they have their rocks ready. So Jenny says, "Run, Forrest, run!" And so he runs. He runs from 0 meters to 100 meters, where there is a big fence that the car can't get through, but that Forrest can jump over. So he starts running, and then he gradually gets faster and faster and faster. Now, if we were to plot this on a position versus time graph, we would start at 0, 0. Because the time is 0 when he's at 0 meters. Now we know that Forrest Gump starts out with an initial velocity of 0 meters per second because he has stopped to smell the roses. So when he first starts running, he's very slow, and he doesn't change, his change in x isn't much compared to his change in t. However, he's almost as fast as Usain Bolt, so he gets to 100 meters in 10 seconds. It's 10 seconds, and this is 100 meters. So you know that by the end, he's running pretty fast. Now, average velocity is defined as the total displacement over the total time. And we know that Forrest Gump isn't running the same speed the entire time, and he's not running at the same instantaneous velocity the entire time, but his average, we can say, is 100 meters over 10 seconds. And this translates into 10 meters per second. That is his average velocity. Now, if you want to learn more about instantaneous velocity, I suggest that you check out my next couple of videos.